guys, Amanda here from softwaredive.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Apple ID account for your child and connect your child's iCloud account to your Apple ID. Is parental control turned on? If your child is under 13, you'll need to create an Apple ID for her or him. Tap Settings, tap your Apple ID, tap Family, tap Continue. See from the messages that you can share your subscriptions and music, movies, and other purchases with your family members. Tap Create a Children's Account. Tap Agree and Continue. Enter the last name, first name of your child and add the date of birth. Tap Create a Child Account. Tap Continue on the Apple and your data privacy. Tap Agree and Continue. You'll need to verify your identity. Enter the Apple ID password of your Apple ID account. You'll also need to verify your email address. Enter the verification code from your email. Tap Continue and follow instructions to agree. Finally, the Apple will recommend you an Apple ID. You can change the Apple ID or leave it default. Tap Already have an email address if you have an existing email. Here we choose to create an email address. Enter the passcode and write down it. You'll also need to select one of your phone number for verification. On the Parental Controls page, tap Continue. Later, you'll need to create a passcode to lock your parental controls. Passcode is also called as the screen time passcode. Make sure write down your child's Apple ID, email, and password. Now tap Settings, tap your Apple ID, and tap Family to see your family members. Tap Screen Time and tap your child's name under Family to regulate your child's screen time. Once you want to change the screen time settings, you'll need to authenticate the screen time passcode for your child. Also, you can see your child's screen time report overview. If your child's account is above 30, you can invite his or her Apple ID directly from the top right corner. Tap the option and tap Invite Others. You can share your family invitation. The limit is 5 for the family sharing members. Hi guys, thank you for your watching. See you in next video.